in the alternative world, it's a little bit different too. Every organ has its own energy, okay, within. It's their own essence.
In Chinese medicine, they talk about that.
Pretty
like
much Chinese medicine, the qi,
blood,
the energy, the tissue, and all that.
Yeah.
So we are all energy. How we can know that we are all energy? That's a really small example.
Well, in quantum physics,
yes, but
prove that.
What is an EKG? The electrocardiogram.
Mm-hmm.
It's basically measuring the electrical impulses of the heart.
Mm-hmm. Right.
So we are all electricity. We are all energy. Okay, and that is the organ that we can measure. Okay, now we can measure also the brain. Okay, the impulses of the brain. But there's no machine for us to check what about the impulses of the liver, or the spleen, or the kidney.
Yeah.
Yes, quantum energy, yes, they may show us, okay, we have some deficiency or something, but there's no such studies that, okay, let me see how your liver is working.
But that's a good point, Nick, also, because of that distinction that, like, you know, most of us think, my immune system, just need it there when I have a cold, and then, you know, I'm done. But immune system is always working.
We cannot check it
all
out.
the time for
it.
Almost so many different functions.
Yes. Like for instance, I mean, we just take a blood sample and we do a metabolic panel. We see that the liver enzymes are within normal range. We see creatinine levels are fine. Kidney function is right. We see only a number there. Now, I don't see how is that organ functioning. Until I see, yes, the enzymes are raising up. Well, yes, until that point I can see that there is an issue there.
Because there's an inflammatory cascade or something.
But I don't see it until something comes up.
Got it. Now here at Veritas, you also treat various autoimmune disorders as well. Now, a lot of people think, well, why would I want to strengthen my immune system? Won't that make my autoimmune system, you know, attacking its own tissue worse? Can you elucidate on that?
Not really. That's why basically there's some deficiency in autoimmune diseases. For some reason, specific cells are attacking certain organs. You know, like to name some, you know, Hashimoto's, you know, it's attacking the thyroid, lupus, okay, diabetes type 1, you know, attacking the pancreas. Somehow the immune system is attacking those organs and is causing them problem. If you boost up your immune system, it doesn't mean that you're going to boost these cells so they can be stronger and attack them. There are different ways. One way right now is through stem cell therapy.
So what you're saying is that it's not just like making them more aggressive when you boost them. It actually, because it has its own intelligence, it modulates it or something.
Not only giving your organs a little bit of help, but also modulating a little bit inside of the cells. In those situations, T cells are the ones who are attacking these organs. CD8 or CD4, those type of T cells. There is one part, if you use some stem cells, which stimulate the T helpers, which these type of T cells are good cells, which plays a big role in our immune system, especially when they attack its own cells. So it will be higher number, therefore the T cells who are attacking these organs are going to be in a way diminish the action that they're doing, and that way we can control and lower the symptoms. Okay, and not only also repairing the damaged organ that is suffering.